Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to edit employee master in bulk and individually. Once you have hired the employees into the system, you can add, update, or modify any information relating to their master data individually and in bulk. Please note that the employee code cannot be modified once it has been created, and the date of joining also cannot be changed post the payroll is completed and closed. For individual master changes, click Teams, go to Employees and click Directory. You will see the list of hires you have created. Enter the employee code or name and click Enter. Click View or Edit against the particular employee you wish to make the changes. You can update, add, or change any field. Once done, click Save and the fields are updated accordingly. To update in bulk, click Bulk Edit Employee Master. First, you need to click on Export. Choose a specific field or you can select all fields. Select the field which you would like to update. For example, you would like to update the gender. Select Gender. Move it to the selected list. If you do not want to update any specific field, then click on the field and use a reverse arrow and it goes back into the main list. If you have any user-defined fields which you have created, you can select that as well. You can select a specific field or you can select all. Click Export. Open the Excel file. Update the relevant fields as required and save the file. Once you have saved the file, next you need to click Import. Choose the file that you have saved. Click Import. All the updated fields will reflect in the box. If it is OK, then you need to click Save. And your employee details are saved successfully. Some of the data which was not uploaded due to some errors will be displayed under the Export Failed list. You can rectify the data and re-upload the file to capture the right information. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.